Part 2, Bibi Ka Maqbara. Bibi Ka Maqbara is located in Aurangabad and it has the grave of Aurangzeb's wife Dilras Banu Begum. It is also known as Dakkani Taj due to its striking resemblance to Taj Mahal, though this is not big and grand like the Taj Mahal in Agra. But at a first glance it looks very similar to it from a distance. When you reach here you will find ample parking outside, but it was paid parking. For tickets they give token which you need to insert it at the entrance, and there is an additional charge for DSLR. Once you enter you will notice that this place is maintained well, it is neat and clean. From here you will see the similarities between the Bibi Ka Maqbara and Taj Mahal. Dilras Banu Begum was the wife of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb, and she was the princess of Safavid dynasty of Iran. While giving birth to their child, she suffered from puerperal fever known as childbed fever and passed away in 1657. After her death, the grieving Aurangzeb wanted to build a mausoleum in Aurangabad, so he commissioned it in 1660, but he could only build her grave. After which his son Azam Shah took over and constructed the Bibi Ka Maqbara, also known as Tomb of the Lady, for his mother. It is said that its construction was done till 1669. This is the largest structure to the credit of Aurangzeb, and he had allocated only 7 lakh rupees at that time, and this was built within that budget. This is also the main reason that due to the budget constraint set by Aurangzeb, it became the poor copy of Taj Mahal. The marble used were brought from Jaipur during his journey from Surat to Golconda using 300 carts. And the interesting part of this structure is that the architect Ataullah of this structure is the son of the Ustad Ahmad Lahori, who was the principal designer of Taj Mahal.